Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Global Chartist. My name is Tarun Kalia and today we will talk about sectoral analysis. So I've picked weekly charts of all the sectors so that we will get an idea about the broader time frame. So आज हम एनालिसिस वीकली चार्ट्स पे कर रहे हैं जिससे हमें ब्रॉडर मार्केट मतलब आने वाले कुछ महीनों का हफ्तों के बारे में हमें क्लैरिटी मिलेगी. सो फर्स्ट आई हैव टेकन निफ्टी 50 वीकली चार्ट्स. सो निफ्टी 50 वीकली चार्ट में क्या क्लैरिटी हमें मिल रहा है अभी कि निफ्टी 50 हैज़ टेकन अ सपोर्ट एट द प्रीवियस ब्रेकआउट ऑफ फ्लैग एंड पोल and there it has retested that breakout zone and formed a pin bar pattern. So if pin bar pattern जब भी form होता है so that is a bullish reversal pattern. That means there is a possibility that now the bears have exited their short positions, so there is a possibility that we can see a reversal if we see a higher high closing on the next week also. Then next is Bank Nifty. So for Bank Nifty, see, you can see this is also a weekly chart pattern. So on Bank Nifty I can see that Bank Nifty has taken a support at the trend line of weekly chart, and same at a trend line it has formed a pin bar which is of red color although, but अब ये अगर pin bar red है so but the thing is it has bounced back from the support zone, so that there is a possibility that short covering will get activated if we see a sustain or closes above 35,000 35,200. There is a much possibility that we can see a short covering in Bank Nifty. Then next is Nifty PSU Bank. So this is also weekly chart. So you can see in Nifty PSU Bank chart that you can see it has retested a breakout zone, previous breakout zone. You can see it has given a breakout on weekly time frame on 4th of October. So from there it has started rising, but then again it has retested that breakout zone. So now there is a possibility if we see a sustain or closes over 2600, then again there is a possibility of upside in Nifty PSU Bank. Next is Nifty Metal. See, Nifty Metal is in a consolidation zone from almost May. You can see since May it is in a one range, it is forming. In between it has given a smaller breakout, but although it is in a range, because the rally which we have seen in 2020, that kind of rally was not visible in 2021. जो रैली हमने 2020 में देखा वो 21 में हमें देखने को नहीं मिला है. सो नाउ यू कैन सी इट इज़ इन अ वन channel formation which we call as a range bound also. So Nifty Metal is range bound and there is a support at 5,000 level, major support. Currently it is at 5492. So if breakouts or if closes above 5600, there is a possibility of breakout in metal sector. So अगर किसी भी दिन 5600 के ऊपर निफ्टी मेटल क्लोज होता है, so there is a possibility of breakout in it and it can test 6000 and 6200, and if it closes above that level also, then it will be a major breakout. Then next we will talk about Nifty Pharma. See, Nifty Pharma, you can see since 2015 it has last topped out on 2015. So 2015 में निफ्टी फार्मा ने टॉप आउट किया था. उसके बाद से लेकर 2020 5 साल तक निफ्टी फार्मा के अंदर हमने डाउनसाइड देखा. देन 2020 में कोविड आ गया विच वॉज अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज फॉर दिस सेक्टर. सो फार्मा सेक्टर के लिए ये ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज हो गया एंड निफ्टी फार्मा ने रैली करना स्टार्ट किया एंड उसने अपना लास्ट टॉप आउट का ब्रेकआउट 19 अप्रैल 2021 में किया. So that breakout was of inverted head and shoulder and as well as a cup and handle also, you can see. So that breakout happened, it has jumped from there also. Then again it has retraced and retested that breakout zone and formed a reversal this week only. So now you can see that Nifty Pharma has reversed from the breakout retested zone. Now if now you can see it is forming a falling wedge pattern also, which is another bullish pattern. So you can see that support of 13,000 for this sector. We can stay invested in this sector, or you can say it is looking very good at this level, as currently it is trading at 13,491 and support is at 13,000, 13,200 closing basis. Next we will talk about Nifty IT. So Nifty IT is also, whenever the COVID comes in, whenever these cases rise, so what happen is dollar goes up. So once the dollar goes up, then you know that we are the exporters in IT services. So IT service को, IT sector को बहुत benefit होता है उस वजह से. So on chart also, on weekly time frame, Nifty IT has given a flag and pole breakout. So which is a very bullish breakout, and it has already given that. So there is a possibility of good upside. You can take a support as a previous week low, and it is looking very good in coming days. So next is Nifty Auto. Nifty Auto में भी हमने वही weekly chart लिया है. So Nifty Auto में what we can see is currently the Nifty Auto has came between the range. It's back, so it is came back in a range. So now as we can see that Nifty Auto was forming a lower high closings on the weekly time frames. So what we can see is that it is forming a lower high closing supports. So the lower high when the supports are there, so it has taken a trend line support also this week itself, and it has formed a hammer, which is a bullish pattern. So when there is, you can see a support and you can see a hammer at support. So this is a very bullish pattern. So Nifty Auto, if sustains last week low, then there is a possibility of upside. Currently Nifty Auto is trading at 10,620 and the support is 10,100, 150 you can take. Then the next is Nifty FMCG. See, FMCG has retested a breakout zone. You can see the previous breakout, which was a even inverted head and shoulder pattern also. So it has taken a support, it has retested that breakout zone. So if the previous week low sustains, अगर पिछले हफ्ते का low sustain कर जाता है, then Nifty FMCG के अंदर भी हम upside देख सकते हैं. Nifty Realty, then now Nifty Realty, same, you can see it has not performed much since many years, but finally we have seen a breakout in it. See, Nifty Realty was in same range since 2011 till 2021. So 10 years of breakout we have seen in Nifty Realty, but it has retested that breakout zone. So there is a possibility, if that breakout zone retested already and अब वो support पे उसने hammer pattern form किया है, which some will say hammer, some will say pin bar. So both are bullish. So अब ये pattern form होने की वजह से there is a possibility we can see upside in Nifty Realty. If this breakout zone sustains, we can take this support as 400. 400 is the major support for the larger time frame. Currently Nifty Realty is trading at 477. Then next is Nifty Media. Nifty Media, you can see it has formed a rounding bottom formation breakout. Even some will say it is ascending triangle breakout also, but or you will say it is a rising wedge also. So see, that is a one interpretation. Everyone is having a different interpretation for the chart. So you can see that breakout of rounding bottom formation on weekly time frame and on support of the retest. So at this retest, it has formed a doji pattern. Now what is doji pattern? Doji pattern is a confused candle. So on the weekly time frame, we have seen a doji pattern at the support. So अब इस पे क्या है कि even the sellers are not strong, even the buyers are not strong. But now the next week is very important for Nifty Media. So next week is a decisive week for Nifty Media. So next week I will again review for Nifty Media. Then the next is Nifty Energy. See the Nifty Energy, it has formed it has formed a trend line breakout, and on the trend line breakout we have seen a support this week itself. See, it is near to that support. The support is at 21,500. So you can see 21,500 if sustains in Nifty Energy, then we can see upside in Nifty Energy sector. Then the Nifty Financial Services. See, the Nifty Financial Services has given a breakout on 2nd of August, and it was rising since then. Then this COVID issue came in, and since October the market had topped out. So it has also shown a retracement in the sector. So that retracement we have seen. So now it is near the support zone. So support is Nifty Energy support is a 16,100 and 16,500. So if that support zone will not get hit, then we can see upside in Nifty Financial Services also. Then the last sector is Nifty PSE. So Nifty PSE is Nifty Public Sector Enterprises. So you can see the Nifty Public Sector Enterprises has formed a beautiful pattern of inverted head and shoulder, and it has given a breakout on 13th of September. So since then it was rising, and then same the Nifty topped out. So we have seen a downside in this sector too, but now it has again retested that support breakout zone. So ये breakout zone दोबारा retest हुआ है. So if the previous week low, which is 3676, will not get test, so then we can see upside in Nifty PSE also. So now you must be wondering that why I'm saying breakout retest. So breakout retest is nothing, it is something we can say that ट्रेन अभी चली दिल्ली से मुंबई के लिए, बट लेकिन कुछ लोग दोबारा उसको बोर्ड नहीं कर पाए, तो वो अहमदाबाद से वापस आई है बोर्ड करवाने के लिए दिल्ली में लोगों को. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द सेम थिंग कि जो लोगों ने यहाँ पे ट्रेन बोर्ड करी, जिन लोगों ने इस ब्रेकआउट पे एंट्री करी, बट लेकिन कुछ लोग नहीं एंट्री कर पाए, तो वो एंट्री करवाने के लिए समटाइम्स ब्रेकआउट गेट रीटेस्टेड वेयर द रिटेलर्स गेट फियरफुल एंड द स्मार्ट प्लेयर्स कीप ऑन एडिंग मोर नियर दैट ब्रेकआउट जोन. सो दिस इज व्हाट द ब्रेकआउट रीटेस्टिंग is known for. So I think you all got a clarity on it. If any doubt, you can ask me personally on my email ID or on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.